square root of 2 plus square root of 8 divided by 6 is equal to square root of 2. Square root of 8 is square root of 4 times square root of 2. 8 is 4 times 2 divided by 6. Square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 6 is equal to 3 square root of 2 divided by 6, which is, after canceling, square root of 2 over 2. 1 square root of 2 over 2. 9 square root of 27 is 9 times square root of 9 times square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so 9 times 3 is 27. 27 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. 27 minus 2 is 25. The answer is 25 square root of 3. Square root of 18 is square root of 9 times square root of 2 minus 9 divided by 3. And square root of 9 is 3. 3 square root of 2 minus 9 divided by 3. Now the greatest common factor is 3. Of the numerator is 3. We have 3 times square root of 2 minus 3 divided by 3, and 3 cancel. Final answer is square root of 2 minus 3. 15 square root of 52. 15 square root of 52 is 15 multiplied by square root of 4 times square root of 13 plus 3 square root of 13 minus, 8 times square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2. 15 times 2 is 30. Square root of 4 is 2. 30 square root of 13 plus 3 square root of 13. 8 times 2 is 16. Minus 16. 30 plus 3. 30 plus 3 is 33. The answer is 33 square root of 13 minus 16. Multiply and simplify. We're going to use commutative property and multiply 4 by 8. And we multiply 4 by 8, and square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. 4 times 8 is 32, and 3 times 3 is 9, so it's 32 times 3, which is 96. Number 2, negative 3 times 6, and square root of 5 times square root of 10 will be square root of 50. Negative 3 times 6, negative 18. Square root of 50 is square root of 25 times square root of 2. We get negative 18 times 5 multiplied by square root of 2. 18 times 5, 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 1, 5, plus 4, 9. Negative 90 square root of 2. 2 times negative 4 times negative 1 multiply by square root of 6 times 3 times 6. So it's 6 times 3 times 6. 2 times negative 4, negative 8 times negative 1, positive 8. And multiply by square root of 6 times 6, which is 36, times square root of 3. We get 8 times 6, which is 48, multiplied by square root of 3. For number 7, we can't combine the terms in parentheses. We have to distribute. 7 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. 14 square root of 9. 7 square root of 3 times 4 square root of 2. 28 square root of 6. 14 times 3. 42. Plus 28 square root of 6. Binomial by binomial, we're going to FOIL or use distributive property. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 minus 2 plus, when we distribute 4 times square root of 3 minus 2. Now, square root of 3 times square root of 3 will be square root of 9, which is 3. Square root of 3 times negative 2 will be negative 2 square root of 3 plus 4 times square root of 3, 4 square root of 3, and 4 times negative 2, negative 8. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Negative 2 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3, positive 2 square root of 3. 4 square root of 2 times 2 square root of 5 minus 1. We distribute 4 square root of 2 over 2 square root of 5 minus 1. Minus 5 distributed over 2 square root of 5 minus 1. We're going to distribute again. 4 square root of 2 times 2 square root of 5 will be 4 times 2, 8, and 2 times 5, 10. 8 square root of 10. 4 square root of 2 times negative 1, negative 4 square root of 2. Negative 5 times 2 square root of 5, negative 10 square root of 5, negative 5 times negative 1, positive 5. We are done because they are all unlike radicals and they are all in simplified form.